So today's video is sponsored by MyFirstWig. I want to do a quick unboxing and hair review and just show y'all the headband wig that they sent me. The first thing that's in here you see is a wig cap. Just put it on to lay your hair flat before you put it on the wig. And here is the wig right here in this cute little bag. This is perfect for like people who want to travel. They also sent me 2 headbands. I have a similar print right now. That's so funny. And that's cute. That's really cute. Here is some edge control. Perfect hold, no residue. Here is a edge brush. I also don't have one of these. I usually just use an old toothbrush. And finally, there is a rat tail comb and a few clips. It's a YAKI texture, 22 inches, natural hair color, cap size 1. That was the smaller size. I have a small head. And then, yeah, headband wigless color black. And here it is right here. I'm just going to take it out. So this is what the hair looks like. Like I said, it's YAKI texture. This looks really natural. It's not like a bone straight texture. I got 22 inches. I feel like it's true to length. These are the straps. So this is the headband right here. This is one strap. Here's the other strap on the other side. And it's kind of Velcro. So they just kind of connect together like that. Oh, it's tight. Oh yeah, that's gonna stay on because that was tight. I thought it was gonna easily separate, but it didn't. All right, and so this is what the inside of the wig looks like. You got this little connector at the bottom, this right here. And then you also got the combs in the inside. So you got one comb right here, one at the top, one on the right, and then one on the left. So there's 4 combs, there's a connector, and there's a strap. So this is wig not coming off. I'm just gonna show y'all how I put it on. I had my hair in 2 braids for the past week. So it's time for these braids to come out. So y'all, I took out the braids with my oil. My hair is very soft. If I wasn't putting on this wig, honestly, I would just wear my hair like this and call it a day. First thing I'm gonna do is get a brush and brush this all back. Just slide it until it stops like that in a bun. Hopefully that's flat enough. I did some of my edges off to the side. I'm gonna just fix them later. I might gotta make this bun a little bit smaller. I probably do. Or I might just pin it with some bobby pins. Actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is my first time putting on a wig for real, so I'm just kind of like improvising. Okay, I flattened out the bun with some bobby pins. Nice color cap. I wish it was a little bit darker because it's too light for my skin tone, but that's all right. Oh, there was 2 in there. About to slide this back just so that my edges are showing and that's it. The cap really helped flatten everything out more, so hopefully that's enough. What? Hold on, let me not get too excited. See, this is where these clips come in handy. I need to strap this back so that I can put the wig on properly. All right, there we go. And now the last step is to just do the Velcro straps. Y'all cannot tell me this is not my hair. It's so long. Oh my gosh, look how long it is. Wait, I really love this. I could have definitely made it a little bit more flat, but hopefully it doesn't look too bulky back there. So now that I got this on, I'm gonna go fix my edges and flat iron this. When I tell y'all I have not used this flat iron in years, like this flat iron is so old and it's still working. That's crazy. I did my edges. You can leave your hair like this, but I'm gonna throw on the headbands and show y'all what it looks like with those on. First, I'm gonna try the cheetah print. Put on my glasses so I can actually see. Oh yeah, y'all, this is nice. This is headband number 2. Yeah, this is cute too. I love it. I think I like the first one a little bit better, but they're both really, really cute. Now I'm just gonna show y'all a few styles you can do. By the way, if you don't wanna have your hair showing, you can literally just pull this forward. And you don't need to get a headband. Honestly, it looks fine with just the black band. But if you wanna, you know, switch it up and stuff, the headband is so cute. So now I'm gonna try a different style. You can wear your hair up, like if you wanted to wear a bun or something. If you wanted to wear a ponytail. Half up, half down is one of my favorite styles, so I think I'm gonna try that first. I like to take a little bit of hair from the top and put that into a ponytail. This is cute, y'all. This is cute. Wow. So this is what the head half up, half down looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna be rocking this. I'm gonna definitely be rocking this. You can do a side ponytail if you want. Let me show y'all the back. I really want to curl this now. I think I'm gonna do that. But before I do that, I'll show y'all this could go in a ponytail. So this is the ponytail. It's not the flattest in the world, only because I didn't really slick my hair back as much as I could have. I was like being lazy with it, but this is still cute. All right, and now I'm about to do a little top knot bun too. But y'all can see, because I have the headband, pretty much everything is covered. All right, and that's my little bun. It's like a messy bun, nothing crazy. Throw in some bobby pins and there you go. Do a little 360. If you really got your hair flat, you can definitely get this flatter. But yeah, so this is the bun. Y'all, I like the half up, half down so much that I think I'm gonna put that back in and then I'm gonna curl it. Just so y'all can see what it looks like curled, because why not? But I think it looks very natural, like it blends so well. Ouch. Y'all, I keep burning my hands. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, I'm feeling like a diva right now. Like, I gotta go walk a runway or something. This is so cute. Like, what the heck? Now I'm about to do my makeup because I'm going outside. Like, I can't no, it's a wrap. I'm going outside. All right, y'all, I did my makeup. My hair is done. This hair is bomb. So easy. If you need to go to the gym real quick, you know, this could be good gym hair. Just throw it up in a bun. Y'all saw all the styles I just did. All the information on the wig will be in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.